In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to your Canva presentation. This process is simple and quick, making it perfect for sprucing up your presentations with organized data. Let's dive into it and ensure that you create a visually appealing and structured table in just a few moments. First, we need to navigate our way to the Canva website and open the presentation you want to edit. Once you're inside your design, the very first step is to locate the Elements tab. You'll find this on the menu pane, usually positioned on the left side of your screen. For those new to Canva, the Elements tab is your gateway to a treasure trove of design elements, including graphics, lines, shapes, and importantly for us today, tables. Now with the Elements tab open, you'll need to use the search bar. Type in the term table and hit enter. Canva will instantly present you with a gallery of table templates. This library is quite vast, ranging from simple grid tables to more complex, colourful variations. Spend a moment to scroll through and familiarise yourself with what's available, as it's essential to choose a table that not only fits your data needs but also aligns well with the overall aesthetic of your presentation. After you've scanned through the options and settled on the table that catches your eye, it's time to get hands-on. You simply need to click on your chosen table. Canva will place it directly into your design layout. However, it's not automatically positioned, so you have the freedom to move it around. Select the table and drag it to the part of your slide where it makes the most visual sense. This flexibility ensures that your table can be a complementary feature rather than a disruptive one. Once your table is in place, you can further manipulate its size and orientation. Just grab the edges of the table with your cursor and pull to expand or contract as needed. These adjustments will help your table fit perfectly within your slide's framework. And just like that, you have successfully added a table to your Canva presentation. Not only have you learned how to enhance the visual appeal of your presentation, but you've also organized your data in a manner that's easy for your audience to digest. As you proceed, remember that you can always edit the contents of your table by clicking into the individual cells, adjusting text size, font, and even cell colors to meet your design preferences. Wrapping up, adding a table in Canva is a straightforward task that can greatly impact how your information is perceived. Use this new skill to elevate your presentations and make your data shine. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.